Hey loves, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Today I'm going to dive some of my favorite Pakistani brands because the sale is officially on fire. While everyone hypes French and Italian labels, I'm going to show you some of my local gems because trust me, they are luxe and I'm proud to rock them. So let's start with J. J. One of Pakistan's top brands, perfumes and fragrances, and they are always on point. Let's see, this is their outlet, what they have got for us today. And oh, I like it, it's stunning. Spotted this dress and it at once caught eye. What do you think? Drop your comment and show your. This is their perfume section. I have to purchase a perfume as a gift for someone special. Mission accomplished. Next up is Metro, known for a huge collection of bags and show, and they are always serving the style. Let's see what's on the shelves. Shoe heaven alert. Metro got it. You can see pumps, flats, sandal, everything. You can see their collection. There are some of their heels, the fancy ones, and these are their pumps. You can see there are all type of pumps available, and this I like it somehow because it's simple and tie, it's cute thing. These are their sandals, and you can see the variety and some fancy heels. After all that browsing, time for a Kit Kat break. Well, juice this time, but it stayed so sore. We also spotted a street stall selling momos, and we thought why not? Ordered a half plate, but instantly regretting not getting more. So we will definitely come again for a full plate. रात का टाइम था और सारा शहर ऐसे जगमग जगमग कर रहा था. I will show you. Next stop is Gul Ahmad. Look at their outlet. I chose this way, but you can go there from directly from in front of them. Their outlet is pure elegance. From chic trousers to stylish shirts, they've got full wardrobe game covered. A glimpse of their outlet, you can see that they have it all. Look at this jewelry wall, sparkle golds. We also try some body mitts and see what they have. Then we found a one and on to our next adventure, which is Stylo. Stylo may be a shoe hotspot, but trust me, when you get to it, you can see all the things. Like bags, they have their own collection of bags, even cosmetics, makeup pouches and jewelry, everything you name it, you got it here. You can see. They have a separate section of cosmetics and makeup. Even they have their own perfume collection. Okay, let's see some of their collection of shoes, because I must say that the Stylo has all the things in shoe collection, whether they are heels, sandals, even the winter stuff, long boots. They are still available in summers, so you can get it too. I even spotted some supplies for students, and I got a news that the summer vacation has been extended. So kids are lucky on the way. बच्चों हर हॉल में मौजे हैं. We made a quick stop at Khaadi, but sadly no filming allowed due to security issues, so moving towards the next stop. Heel is my absolute fave shoe brand, and when you land next to Stylo, you will see the difference is crystal. These are the shoes from Stylo. You can see the variety. Let's have a look. They have more in heels, and I mean their shoe collection has more variety in sandals, but not as much in flats. You can see these are the variety in their flats and heels of Stylo. I am showing right now the Stylo shoes. Compare it with heels. Okay, you can see this sandal. It is somehow trendy. I like it. But if we see in the heels, they have that extra edge flats. I'll show you. I mean, if you look at their flats, these are the of heels. The wide style, the variety in their flats, it is just amazing. Look at them, you can see yourself. Even they have same style with different colors. Flats got different ranges in colors as well. And this black flat is so beautiful. So guys, this was our last stop for today's shopping of Girls' Day Out, which actually ended in night. But overall both brands are absolute fire. Okay, I'm going to show you the lightning of my city tonight from one of Beneclick's how he made or capture a wonderful view of my city, all decorated because of independent preparation, and the embellishments are on peak. Heading to see the city light up in green and white, pure vibes. Alright besties, it's the haul time. So let's see what I got today. You can see this is all we got today. Arpu is also gonna watch what we got today. Interesting. First thing is deep black perfume from j.sale. If we talk about its bottle styling, it is and sleek. That's why I bought it. And if we talk of fragrance, it is just perfect. I'm obsessed. We snagged a cool black rosy from Khaadi. Now this is a green gorgeous body spray from Azaadi. It is so refreshing and so uplifting. I mean, it's totally a vibe. We also bought this cute black elegance from Stylo. If you see, this is in black and detailing is everything. say you all must visit the Stylo outlet. Sale is there. Not all items in all brands are on sale, but you must have some beautiful go there. Actually, I have not bought any clothes because in last month I have, because of mid-season sale, and got some specific and beautiful pieces, so that's why this is item which is our straightener. Our last one is not working well, so we decided to buy new, and we are happy for it. So that's all for today. You have seen all items. I hope you like the whole video and it's worth watching for you. Okay, don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay blessed.